another video. I just permed my hair, and ooh, what's that? Yeah, I don't go natural because I can't do it. I don't like everybody playing in my hair. Okay, so I'm about to do a quick pony. One of my favorite ponytail tutorials. I'm gonna comb it. I can't find my other comb, but my hair is straight enough so it won't pull nothing out, or you know, it's cool. What is it? Oh, okay. And I guess today I could do like a little vlog. Well, me and Mia, because Mia doing my nails. I'm going over there, and I don't even have my watch on. I'm going over there and after I finish doing my hair, I'm about to blow dry it. And that's that. I put this oil in just a little bit. It went everywhere. And then this ponytail I'm about to do is like one of my favorites. Ooh, big old head. Alright. Wow. I use this. This is Shining Gem for braiders, for, you know, you get your hair braided, but it actually keeps the girl's hair down better than the regular orange Shining Gem. Don't mind me, I'm a little sloppy. I'm not the baby hair queen. I can try, but it always look a mess. Let's see. Like, what the fuck is that? All right, we got something. A little something. No eggs would be what I'm doing with it, like, I don't know. It's I'm going to put some in the back. This is how I do my ponytail. You don't have to do your ponytail. Please do not come here and ruin my video. And then I'm gonna put this in a little bun, you know. Had my little ponytail, had the little drawstring clips thing and everything. Put that on. Let's take it down. Pull it tight. And it hurt, but pain is beauty, beauty is pain. Wrap it around, I tuck it under. I'm gonna get some bobby pins and fluff my ponytail up the way I want it. Messy big pony. I think that's it. I don't need two. I'm gonna put another one. Lay right there. And pull this out.